So over here you can see that I got a bunch of videos on my timeline right here, and to make the videos look interesting, let's say what I want to do is I want to add in background music. So to do that, you need to go around onto the left side where you see music right here, and if you were to click on it, then there are many different royalty-free music that you can utilize for your project. So let's say what I want to do is I'm going to click on Spring right here, and there are various music that you can choose from, as you can see right here. If you want to preview them before you add them, you can click on the play button over here. So that is what you have, as you can see right here. You can go around and preview out other one as you like as well. So that is what you have, and I'm just going to go around onto Always Happiness. So let's say I want the first one right here because it is very bright and then very encouraging. So I'm just going to go around and click right here, and as soon as I click it, you can see that a music track is added around over here. And if I were to play this, you can hear out the music and the video plays at the same time. If I were to go around, click on another audio right here, then it simply replaces it out right here on the timeline. So if I were to go around and press the play button, you can hear out the music change. Well, let me just go around onto the first one itself, and then you can see that music is applied. And if I were to go around onto the beginning and press the play button, and that is what you have, as you can hear out. So that is how you can preview and add in music inside of VistaCreate projects. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.